So, good morning, students. So, today we are taking about what? Food. Food, where does it come from? Okay. So, those food we are taking, which is coming from, है ना, कहाँ से आता है? So, इसके बारे में क्या करेंगे अपन डिटेल स्टडी करेंगे, ठीक है? So, we are taking about what? Food and where it is come from. Okay. So, its title is food. Where does it come from? So previously we seen about that breakfast, lunch, dinner and so on. Okay. So now today we will be taking about what? Sources of food. Okay. So food it is getting from the substances, some things. Okay. And that's known as sources of food. Okay. So जो भी अपने यहाँ जो फूड बनता है ना, जो खाते हैं, सो कहीं से ना कहीं से तो भी वो क्या किया जाता है, एक्सट्रैक्ट किया जाता है, डिराइव किया जाता है. ओके, सो विल बी टेकिंग फ्रॉम दैट. सो देयर आर टू सोर्सेस ऑफ फूड दैट इज प्लांट एंड एनिमल्स. ओके, सो यू नो जैसे चावल, ओके, राइस, अगेन व्हाट वी टेकिंग, व्हाट, टी, कॉफी, some spices and cereals means that's what, rice, gehu and pulses which are all the complete जितनी भी दाल जो होती है, these are the pulses. Okay, so these are what the plants sources. Okay, so plants giving us cereals, vegetables, tea, coffee and spices. So these are getting from these are the plants. Okay, and from the animal sources, so all of you are drinking milk, are using milk. Okay, so milk also is getting from the what? Buffalo and cow. Okay, and what? Goat. So these are what? Animal sources. Okay, buffalo and cow. Next is some of are taking eating what? Meat. Okay, and you know poultry which is providing what? The chicken and eggs. So poultry providing chicken and eggs. So these are the sources of food. Okay, so in detail we are taking about what? Cereals. Okay, so what are the cereals? So cereals, it is the cereals which is the main constituent of food. Okay, and it is the main staple food of everyone. Okay, and it what they are rich in the sources of carbohydrate. Okay, so cereals it is the main source of food. Okay, main source of फूड. ठीक है, सेरियल क्या है? मेन सोर्स ऑफ फूड है. ओके, एंड विच इज रिच इन कार्बोहाइड्रेट. ओके, रिच इन कार्बोहाइड्रेट. सो देयर वाज क्वेश्चन. ओके, एंड मेन सोर्स ऑफ फूड रिच इन कार्बोहाइड्रेट, एंड अगेन दैट इट कंसिस्ट ऑफ द मेनली wheat, rice and maize. Okay, so maize, now the season of the maize है ना, भुट्टा जो रास्ते के बाजू में जो भुट्टा मिलता है बेक करके. ठीक है, so these are the what? So these are the cereals and main sources of food. Okay, so what's important here? Cereals, the main source of food, rich in carbohydrate, and which of them? Wheat, rice and maize. Okay, so these are the what? The cereals. Okay, so cereals are the most important sources of food for the man and animals. Okay, so human being also taking this food and animals also. Okay, animals means that at our home cows, okay, buffaloes, horse, they are eating what? The residue जो भी इससे जो बचा हुआ जो होता है ना, so they are taking as a food. Okay, so these cereals is a main food or main course of food for the animal and human being. Okay, and rich source of carbohydrates. Okay, so what is the main constituents? Which is the carbohydrate, and which of them? Wheat, rice and maize. So these are what the cereals. Okay. So now taking about what the pulses. So all of you know that the pulses are all of you eating the different pulses at your home. Okay. So daily weight taking about what? Daily weight eating about तुवल दाल है ना. तुवल दाल क्या करते हैं अपन रोज राइस के साथ में या चपाती के साथ में क्या करते हैं, तुवल दाल खाते हैं. सो दीज आर द व्हाट पल्सेस. एंड अगेन अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट मूंग है ना, जो स्प्राउट्स बना के खाते हैं. ग्राम है ना, चना. अगेन व्हाट, सो जितनी भी अलग अलग प्रकार की जो दालें हैं, सो दीज आर द पल्सेस. ओके. सो व्हाई द पल्सेस आर नेसेसरी or why we are eating? Because they are a good source of protein. And protein, it is what in the next lesson we will studying about that. Protein are the body building food. Okay. So now taking about what pulses. Pulses are leguminous. Why the name is leguminous? Leguminous means that the pulses having two cotyledons. Okay. जैसे ये एक ही होता है ना, पल्सेस में क्या होता है कि टू कॉटिलेडन्स होते हैं ना. जैसे दाल को अगर आप ब्रेक करके देखेंगे तो उसमें दो ऐसे पार्ट्स होते हैं सेपरेट. ठीक है. सो ये क्या होता है कि अलग अलग टू कॉटिलेडन्स, इसको बोलते हैं कॉटिलेडन्स. ओके. एंड लेगुम्स मींस दैट दीज आर स्प्राउटिंग हियर. ओके. एंड इट इज नोन एज व्हाट लेगुमिनस also. Okay. And these are the rich sources of proteins. Rich source of protein. Rich source of proteins. And commonly what every day we eating what, that soybean, gram, pea है ना. pea means क्या है, ग्रीन मटर है ना, मटर. देन उसके बाद में तुअर या अरहर जिसको बोलते हैं. ठीक है. सो दीज आर द व्हाट पल्सेस. सो पल्सेस आर द लेगुमिनस. ओके. पल्सेस आर द लेगुमिनस एंड आर रिच सोर्सेस ऑफ प्रोटीन्स. ओके. दे प्रोवाइडिंग अस प्रोटीन एंड प्रोटीन्स आर द व्हाट बॉडी बिल्डिंग. सो सपोज एनी व्हाट स्पोर्ट्स पर्सन आर बॉडी बिल्डर. ओके. यानी क्या करते हैं कि भीगे हुए चने खाने से क्या होता है कि बॉडी बिल्ड होती है बोलते हैं ना. सो दीज आर व्हाट प्रोटीन्स. दीज आर द मेन सोर्सेस ऑफ प्रोटीन्स. ओके. which including soybean, gram, pea, tuwal and arhar. Okay. So this is about what and beans. So these are about what pulses. Okay. So now taking about what vegetables. So all of you know vegetables. Okay. ऐसा कोई भी नहीं होगा कि जिसको वेजिटेबल नहीं पता होगा. ओके. So all of you know the vegetables and you also like the what most of the vegetables. Okay. ना जैसे क्या बोलेंगे उसको कि जैसे वेजिटेबल्स some of you what liking फूल गोभी है ना, फ्लावर कैबेज, ब्रिंजल्स, लेडीज फिंगर्स एंड स्पिंच, लाल भाजी है ना, पालक भाजी जो होती है. So these are the vegetables. Tomatoes, potatoes and so on. So these are necessary for human being to adding the flavors of eating. Okay. And these are main source of some of that calcium, minerals, vitamins and so on. And they are basically containing more quantity of water here. Okay. गीले होते हैं ना बहुत ज्यादा. So vegetables, some of the vegetables are we eating in the raw form है ना, जैसे onion is in the raw form as a salad. And again what tomato also and cucumber. So these are what the vegetables and resources of what waters. Okay. But there is no value of the food, यानी बहुत कम वैल्यू होती है, but it consists of what more quantity of water. Okay. So vegetables are rich sources of vitamins and minerals. Okay. अलग अलग टाइप्स के vitamins होते हैं, minerals होते हैं. ठीक है. And roughage means that it has a dietary fiber. Okay, so in the third or fourth lesson we will studying about what the roughage in detail. Okay, so these are what dietary fiber means, that they are assisting to digestive system. Okay, जो digestive system होता है ह्यूमन बीइंग का, उसमें असिस्ट करने का काम कौन करते हैं, ये roughage करते हैं या dietary fibers करते हैं. ठीक है, and these are containing the 70% of water. Okay, and their food value is very low, but they are the low in food values. Okay, so these are about what the vegetables. So suppose you know that different vegetables, जैसे carrots and radish. Okay, carrot and radish कौन से parts important होता है, carrot and radish. Okay, so these are what root, है ना, ये क्या होते हैं, रूट होते हैं. ठीक है, then sweet potato means शकरकंद जो बोलते हैं. ठीक है, sweet potato, this is also what roots. Okay, these also what roots. And potato and onion. Okay, so all of you know potato and onion, these are what stems. And cabbage and spinach. Okay, cabbage जो नूडल्स पे खाते हैं और या फिर कैबेज की सब्जी खाते हैं. ठीक है, कैबेज एंड स्पिंच मींस पालक भाजी. ठीक है, these are what leaves. So these are the different sources of food. Okay, and these are deriving from the different parts of the plants. Okay, and tomato it is a fruit. Okay, tomato का एक फल है. ठीक है, tomato it is a fruit. So these are about what the vegetables. So now sugars, है ना, sugars. अब देखो शुगर जो होती है ना, sugar we using to making tea, to add in sweetness in what sweet dishes, and again what adding in the milk. Okay, as a sweetener. So sugar is getting from what, especially, so all of you know गन्ना है ना, sugarcane in beetroot. So these are what sugar is extracting from them, and sugar is nothing but it is what glucose. Okay, so sugars are produced by the green plants through the photosynthesis. Okay, sugar किस तरीके से, तो every food or every vegetables or every plants producing sugar in that. Okay, and that process is known as what, photosynthesis. So how this, suppose CO2 present in air plus H2O, that is water, so these are combining in presence of light. Okay, in presence of light, and that process is known as what, photosynthesis. Okay, इस प्रोसेस को क्या बोलते हैं, photosynthesis. And there is production of C6H12O6. Okay, it is what, glucose. It is a glucose, or it is a sugar, or it is also known as starch. Okay, and these are stored in plants as a form of sugar, okay, or glucose. Okay, so producing plants are sugarcane and sugar beet. Okay, तो sugarcane और sugar beet जो होती है ना, so all of you know sugar beet जो rounded shape में जो होता है ना, that is the sugar beet. So sugar is producing from that. Okay, so next is tea and coffee. So tea and coffee, it is also what the producing from the plants. Okay, so tea जो होती है, चाय पत्ती जो होती है ना, जो everyday we are using at our home. So tea is extracting from the leaves of the plants. Okay, and after that drying in the shade, I drying with the roasted. Okay, so making of the what, green tea बनती है, एक black tea बनती है. Okay, so in the black tea we adding the what, milk at our home and making the tea. And coffee, all of you know the brew, Nescafe and so on. Okay, so these are coffee beans. क्या बोलते हैं कि कॉफी की जो आपने एडवर्टाइज देखी होंगी है ना, तो क्या होता है कि इट इज अ चेरी, है ना, और एक्सट्रैक्टिंग फ्रॉम दैट. सो ओके, so this is about what, tea and coffee. So all of you again got familiar with the spices, okay? अगर spices अगर नहीं होंगे है ना फूड में, अगर सपोज वेजिटेबल्स बनाना है, सपोज मसाला भात बनाना है, अगर उसमें स्पाइसेस नहीं डालेंगे तो मसाला भात कैसे टेस्टी लगेंगे, है ना? मसाले है ना, स्पाइसेस. So we are at our home using what turmeric, chili, garlic and gingers, है ना, काली मिरी and different number of spices we are using. Some of that medicinally useful and some of that adding the flavor in our food, okay? So these are about what the plant sources of food, okay? So stop today here. Next we'll take you in next classes. So have a nice day. Bye bye.